What is up, mi gente? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John. This is that mean 56, and today we got something a little bit different. We're not going to be going for a drive in the mountains. At least I don't think we are. I don't know. We'll see. Probably not. But anyway, been having a little bit of an issue with the Mini, so we're actually going to do a little diagnosing and get down to the bottom of it. You know, it's not a big issue. Doesn't affect drivability, but it's annoying. It's very annoying. So, with that said, let's get to the garage. Let's find out what's going on with this car. Let's get it in the air. All right, guys, so we are in the garage, and I don't think I've actually shown you guys the engine bay of this car. Nothing special, but I try to keep it as clean as I can. I'm failing at that pretty badly, but take a look. Alright guys, so now that you're seeing the engine bay and how dirty it is, let me tell you a little bit about what's done to it. So, got the Aem Cold Air Intake, which fantastic intake. It uses the stock hood scoop, actually makes it functional. I've had it for a couple of years, no issues, I love it. Got the Miltech downpipe, that's ceramic coated and wrapped. Alta 3-inch downpipe back exhaust. RPM stage 2 tune, which is a pretty good tune. Can't really complain about that. It's got the BC coilovers. It's got the 1552 tarmac wheels. And for tires, I'm actually running the HAAWK. HAAWK. You know what? I'm trying to remember when I could just easily just look over here. And it is... a Firestone tires. Good tire, by the way. I can't complain at all. So now that we have it here, we need to get this car in the air. Feeling a little lazy today. Well, let's get this car in the air. All right, guys. Well, the car's in the air now. Finally, took a few minutes, but you guys probably saw that in 15-20 seconds. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, we got the car in the air. Now let's get under it, see what's going on. So, of course, I'm big on safety. As always, I got the ramps on. I also have chocks that I put in the rear. So, doing what I can to try to stay safe. So let's get under this car and see what's going on. Alright guys, I think we found out what our issue is. If you guys seen that, I think I'm probably going to leave part of it in. But attached to the heat shield, and I think it may even be the downpipe mounting bracket, something's loose there or something broke, so that's the cause of our rattle. Knew it wasn't anything major. Maybe it needs to be tightened. I don't know, but let's get under there and actually take a look at what we can do. Alright guys, so if you look at this bolt right here, this whole bracket is loose. So this is what's causing our rattling here. See if I get the lighting a little bit better. There we go, that should help. So yeah, this bracket here is loose. I think we should be able to fix it. Tighten it all down.
So let's get to it. All right, guys, let's try a 13 deep. Probably would have helped if I would have put it in the right direction. There we go. There we go, nice and snug. That bracket I don't think is gonna come moving around again for a long time. At least I hope not. Now we'll do the downpipe bracket. All right, everything looks to be tight. I think we might have fixed it. No more rattle. Let's get Anthony and start the car again and see if it's gone.
Let's look underneath. I don't know about you guys, but I don't hear it anymore. So I think we fixed it. Actually, I know we fixed it. There's no more rattle. No more rattle at all. So now let's put the car back down. Maybe go for a drive around the block, see how it is, and call it a day. All right, we're going around the neighborhood. Take a nice quick trip around. And keep it in a low RPM range because that's when I heard the rattle the most. Plus the speed limit in my neighborhood is only about 20, 25. But you don't want to speed. There's kids all over the place. Bad enough I'm talking to a camera, but paying attention to the road. I'm trying anyway. It's not there. I'm glad. I mean, when you can obviously see where the rattle is, when you tighten it up and it's not doing it again, 99% positive it's gone. Alright, mi gente, that's gonna do it for us today. I'm John, this is That Mean 56, and if you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's really appreciated, and I will see you on the next video.